Hi, good morning, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel python.trainer.helper. So in this video I am just going to explain how to install PyCharm IDE software in your laptop. Watch this video till end and also subscribe to my channel python.trainer.helper. Most of the viewers of my YouTube videos are non-subscribers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you will be notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Hi, welcome back. So we will see now the steps how to install PyCharm. PyCharm is a development environment software to write so many lines of code in the all Python projects. Of course, there is one more software called VS Code, and many people are using VS Code and many people are using PyCharm. So now in this video I am just going to explain how to install PyCharm in your laptop. Okay, so this is a PyCharm software which I have already got it. So there is no official website for PyCharm to download, but in my previous video I already shared how to install Anaconda. Anaconda is also a software which contains PyCharm is one of the software available in it. So and PyCharm is also available as a separate software also. So now I am just going to explain how to install PyCharm independently apart from Anaconda. Okay, so now I am just clicking on the double click on the PyCharm software to start the installation of the PyCharm in my laptop. Okay, so it is going to ask some authentication. As my operating system is Windows 11, it is always ask some authentication to start the installation. So now after the authentication provided, so this is the first step. So here I am clicking on the next, there is nothing to change here. And this is a default path what my operating system has chosen to install PyCharm software in my laptops. It's chosen C program files JetBrains folder, under which there is a PyCharm community edition is what it has chosen the new folder. So I am fine with this path. If you want, you can change the path using the browse button. So okay, so here I am okay with this directory where Python, so my operating system I already chosen to install PyCharm. So I am clicking on the next here. So here I am just going to add bin folders to the environment variables, and I don't want to add any shortcut to the desktop. Okay, and I am associating all py softwares because any py is nothing but a Python file. So all Python files will be opened by default with the PyCharm. Okay, and clicking on the next here, and there is nothing to change here, and now clicking on next, it is going to start installing PyCharm in my laptop. So PyCharm software is not very big software as compared to Anaconda, so it will take some time, but not as much as time of Anaconda. Okay, so now the PyCharm installation is completed in my laptop. So to reflect the changes of PyCharm installation and also to make the PyCharm software working fine, we have to restart the laptop. So right now I have just chosen I want to manually restart later, but to make it effective quickly, so you just use the option called restart reboot now. So for now I am just using I want to manually reboot later. I am clicking on the finish. That's all for installation of PyCharm. Once after the PyCharm is installed successfully in your laptop, how to verify the PyCharm is installed successfully or not in your laptop is, so when you go to the programs, there is a folder called JetBrains. Inside JetBrains, you can see the PyCharm community edition, whatever we installed. Okay. So to open the PyCharm, you need to double click here. So when you click on this one, the PyCharm will open like this. So when you are opening the PyCharm first time after the installation, this is the screen you are going to get. So where you can able to see three icons here: new project, open, and get from CVS or VCS. So new project, so if you want to create a new project or you want to work on a new project and etc. So where you need to open the or click on the new project. So it will open the new project screen where you need to provide the project name and etc. So if for example in your laptop the project is already available, okay, some code is already available, some projects code is already available, so you can directly click on the open. So for now I am just going with the option of new project. So now I am clicking on the new project here. This will open a new project screen. Okay, so this is the workspace where all your new projects are going to be created. So for now I am just going to create my new projects. some a folder like this, D drive apps Python. Okay, so I am just going to create, so D apps folder Python, and my new project name is, for example, demo project. Okay, so this is the my project location. This is my folder demo project, and location of the project is D apps Python. Okay, and I'm just clicking on the create button here to create the project. So it is going to create a project for me with empty project which doesn't have any code. So it will set up all the environment which are required for project. So now it is creating a virtual environment for the project. Okay, so once it is done, we are going to see how to create a files or Python programs or modules inside this project. Once the project gets created, a main.py file by default will be created inside the project, every project. So for now, for example, I want to create a new module inside this project. So I selecting this project, double click on this. So here I can see a new Python file. So when I say click on new Python file, it is going to ask me what is the name of the new Python. So it's a new module. For example, employee, that is my module name. So a new module gets created. Here I can able to write my code. For example, import random, I'm writing some code here, print hello world. So like this you can able to create a number of modules, a number of packages, and a number of modules inside the different packages also. Okay, so this is how we are going to configure or create the project inside the PyCharm. So for example, you already having some couple of projects already. So you go for new file, open, and where it is going to ask you show the entire directory of your laptop. So I am just going to the D drive because my projects are present in my D drive. So apps. So these are all some of the projects which are already created in my machine, and now I am opening one of the project. For example, batch 54 assignment work. Okay. So now the batch 54 assignment work project will be opened in my PyCharm, and whatever the code already present in this project, that will be open as it is, and from there I can able to execute my code. See here, this is my code. It is having a rank module is there, tester module is there, and my main module is there. So my rank module is having some code inside it, and my tester module is having some code inside it. Okay, and if I want to edit something, if I want to change some logic inside any function inside the rank module, I can go and then I can modify it. So these are the two things generally we do. First, either you are going to create a new project or you are going to open the existing project and do the code changes in the existing project. Yeah, so that's all for PyCharm installation and configuration and usage. Thank you very much.